Now, it's very important when you train to absolute failure. You need to seek discomfort when you're training. And I always say you need to make sacrifice in order to see the success. Now, of course, let's say you're doing 12 repetitions. The first 10 repetitions are a waste of time, but you need to get through them to get to that last 1 or 2 repetitions that you struggle on. I always tell my clients, pretend someone's got a gun to your head. If you get out that last rep, great, the gun doesn't go off. But if you don't, so make sure that you train to failure and you will get the success at the end of the 7 weeks. Get used to eating your meals cold, Buttercup. Don't be a pussy and think, oh my God, I can't eat this meal, it's cold, there's no microwave around. 99% of the meals consumed by bodybuilders are cold. Doesn't matter if it's inconvenient to you. What is going to be even more inconvenient is you missing a meal. So get used to it. You'll be eating out of a Tupperware container. Your meals will be in a cold, cool bag. That's absolutely fine. What matters is that you get your meals in on time.